Short videos get more reach than anything right now, but they feel like the hardest thing to make. Imagine posting from a beach chair instead of your desk. Let's make it that easy. Here's the secret. You don't need to be a videographer. Claude can hand you the script and the shot list. You just hit record. Step 1, pick one idea. A single tip, a quick story, one moment. One idea equals one short video. Don't cram. Step 2, ask for a short script. Write me a 30-second video script for my car rental business about booking early. Done. Keep it short. 30 to 45 seconds, one idea. Said plainly. Tell Claude to cut anything that isn't essential. Then ask what to show on screen for each line. Now you've got a shot list. You just point the camera where it tells you. Ask for short on-screen text too, a few punchy words per beat. That's what keeps thumbs from scrolling. Ask for short on-screen text too, a few punchy words per beat. That's what keeps thumbs from scrolling. Camera shy? You've got options. Talk to the camera yourself or use an AI voice. Some of those tools are paid, but many have a free tier to start. No footage? Ask Claude for simple B-roll you can film on your phone in 5 minutes. Your lot, a car, a key handoff. Most people watch on mute, so captions are a must. Have Claude write clean captions, then auto-caption them in your editing app. Want a series? Ask for 5 short scripts on one theme. One afternoon, a week of videos. And reuse what you have. Paste your best post and say, turn this into a 30-second video script. Instant repurpose. Every good short follows one shape. Hook, then value, then a call to action. Ask Claude to keep every script in that formula. Then batch like we did with posts. A week or a month of short video scripts in one sitting. End each one by pointing to your channel. Full walkthrough on my YouTube. Short videos feed your longer ones. One thing to avoid. Don't overproduce. Rough and real beats polished and late. Film it, post it, move on. The hardest part of video was always knowing what to say. That's handled now, so you actually hit post, and your content keeps running whether you're at your desk or on a beach somewhere. So, 5 moves. Pick one idea, ask for a 30-second script, nail the hook, get a shot list, and add captions. Tomorrow, we tackle the inbox, how to never write a customer email from scratch again. 3 minutes a day keeps the stress away. Pull up a stool, I'll see you tomorrow.